Today I am back with another video of the mathematics series, and today we are continuing our polynomials topic, and today we are going to learn all the factorization methods of two terms. So let's get into it. So for maths, our today's topic is polynomials part 5. So today we will be covering every single equation for two terms, and I will also be showing you how to use them and where to use them, or in which ways the questions related to the equation can potentially be asked. Formulas. So first we will see all the two term formulas first. A square minus b square equals a plus b into a minus b. A plus b whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square equals a square minus 2ab plus b square. A plus b whole cube equals a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into ab. A plus b. Then a minus b whole cube equals a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. X plus a into x plus b equals x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. A cube plus b cube equals a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube equals a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So those were all the equations or the equations of factors which are used for two terms. So now we are going to take a look at the examples and how the questions can be asked. But before going further into this video, I would again like to say that please like this video and share it as much as you can, and subscribe to our channel, and also turn on the post notifications after subscribing. It helps me a lot. Now first one is a square minus b square. So the answer for that is a plus b into a minus b. Now let's see how we can find that question in the exams or anywhere we see it. So 5 is to 5 whole square minus 3 whole square equals 5 plus 3 into 5 minus 3. We just see this as a square minus b square, and see this as a plus b into a minus b. Simple. Then it can be asked in the reverse method, like this portion is given like this, and you have to write this portion. So that's just how you do it. And the third method is, it should be given you like this. 25x square minus 9 is the example here. Then you will have to convert it into 5x square minus 3 square, and then further you can convert it into a plus b and a minus b, like this, 5x minus 3 and 5x plus 3. Now let's go for the second one, which is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 5x plus 3b whole square equals 5x square plus 2 into 5x into 3b plus 3b whole square, which will be 25x square plus 30xb plus 9b square. Now 25x square plus 30xb plus 9b square equals 5x square plus 2 into 5x plus 3b plus 3b whole square. So this is the reverse one. The answer is given here, and you have to write the question. You have to derive onto the question, which will be 5x plus 3b whole square. So when it is asked like this, and there is a simple trick to do this. When you are given three terms, and the first and the last term are squares of a number, try to put that equation into this formation. If you are successful in putting that equation in that formation, then you just need to write the first digit and the last digit and make it whole square. Then the third one is a minus b whole square. It is just the same, only the sign here and here are changed. a minus b whole square. So 5x minus 3b whole square equals 5x square minus 2 into 5x plus 3b plus 3b whole square. It means 25x square minus 30xb plus 9b square. And the same reverse as it is. Then for the fourth one, it is a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube equals a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This is somewhat hard to simplify, so you have to practice it a lot. 5x plus 3b whole cube equals 5x cube plus 3b cube plus 3 into 5x into 3b into 5x plus 3b. The answer will be 125x cube plus 27b cube plus 225b square plus 135b square x. Then you have, if you are given the answer, then what you need to do is put it in this equation. You have to think about it carefully after saying the question, and then you have to decide that which formula it is and solve it accordingly. Now there is still one way that a plus b whole cube can be asked, which is a numerical cube. So if it is given to you like 104 whole cube, then you will have to convert it into 100 plus 4 whole cube and then follow the same method. 100 cube plus 4 cube plus 3 into 100 into 4 into 100 plus 4, and then you will get the answer after addition and multiplying and simplifying. So that's one more use of a plus b whole cube. Now a minus b whole cube. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. It's the same, just the signs are replaced with minus. 5x minus 3b whole cube equals 5x cube minus 3b whole cube minus 3 into 5x into 3b into 5x minus 3b equals 125x cube minus 27b cube minus 225bx square minus 135b square x. And the same, the inverse of that answer is given, you have to derive on the question. Then there is the same way that it can be asked as a numerical, but it can be minus. So when it is given 999 whole cube, then you should not take 900 plus 99 whole cube. You should take 1000 minus 1 whole cube. It will be easier. So 1000 cube minus 1 cube minus 3 into 1000 into 1 into 1000 minus 1 equals this large number, and then you can just simplify it to get the answer. Then comes x plus a into x plus b equals x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This is new. X minus 3 into x plus 5 equals x square plus minus 3 plus 5 into x plus minus 3 into 5, which will be x square plus 2x minus 15. Now it can be asked like this, that you have to multiply a whole number. So you got to multiply this number, then you can do 105 into 106 equals 100 plus 5 into 100 plus 6. So 100 is considered as x, and a and b are 6 and 5. Then you can follow this same formation, 100 square plus 5 plus 6 into 100 plus 5 into 6. Then you will get this number, and then you can just add it, and that's your answer. Now comes a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube equals a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So 64n cube minus 343n cube equals 4m plus 7n into 4m square minus 4m into 7n plus 7n whole square. Then it can be asked in the reverse method also. You can do that. A cube plus b cube equals a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. 27y cube plus 125z square equals 3y plus z into 3y square minus 3y into 5z plus 5z whole square. So it will be 3y plus 5z into 9y square minus 15yz plus 25z square. I just simplified it one step further here. You have to simplify it here. So what you have to take care in this formula is this signs, because the signs are the only thing that you might have problem with in this formula. So that's just it. Those are all the formulas for the two terms. Please like, share and subscribe, and turn on the post notifications after subscribing to be notified about all our future video uploads. I will be back with some more factorization and formulas of this polynomials topic in the next video. So till the next video, goodbye.